Hi, and welcome to Rakuten Advertising. In this video, we will show you how to install and use the LinkGenerator Bookmarklet from the Publisher dashboard. To get started, go to Links in the navigation header and click Link Tools. From there, navigate to the LinkGenerator tab. You'll find a set of instructions on the screen here. I'm using Firefox, and my Bookmarks toolbar is visible. LinkGenerator works in all supported browsers, including Microsoft Edge, Chrome, and Firefox. Click the Bookmarklet and drag it to your Bookmarks toolbar. Now that the installation is complete, let's generate a link. In this case, I want to link to this page, where my audience can find all the e-readers made by Rakuten Kobo. I'm going to click the LinkGenerator Bookmarklet in my Bookmarks toolbar, and a pop-up appears with the URL link. All I need to do is copy this link and share it with my audience. Remember that you must be partnered with a brand to generate links to their products. The brand must also allow deep linking. You can learn more about using bookmarklets in the Help Center. Thanks for watching.